Thanks for stopping by. This is Greg with CalendarSnack. You can see I'm in a PowerPoint. Quick recap, what I'm trying to do today is explain the fact that to create a CalendarSnack, all you need to do is go to your Outlook or Google Calendar and use the Create a CalendarSnack. When you invite us to your event or copy us to your event, we send you back a CalendarSnack. Every time you do that, your event information off your calendar is streamed to what's called a CalendarLander, and they are automatically updated in chronological order. So that's what I'm showing here, that any event you use off your personal calendar, copy us to create at calendarsnack.com, shows up in a streaming CalendarLander, and it's your CalendarLander based on your email address. To show you how this all works is I've done several events for a persona called Mandy at TechVader. I'm in her email, and all I'm going to do is click to view one of her CalendarSnacks, which she copied us off her calendar for this event. We send out a CalendarSnack to the organizer. I'm going to click it, and when I go into the CalendarSnack itself, there's all kinds of great information. In here are the buttons for the various email service providers here. MailChimp, ConvertKit, Klaviyo, and SendGrid. There's the independent simple landing pages here, which if I copy one and go here and do a paste and go, you'll see a simple landing page. So when someone puts their email address in there, they receive a calendar invitation, which we track for that particular event with all the information on it. What I'm going to show you today, though, is the multiple event landing page, or we call the CalendarLander. It's right here, and I'm going to grab the go here, grab and go code. I'm going to click and I'm going to paste it in, and you'll see it there. So today's demo, I'm going to focus on Zoe at techvader.com, and Zoe is our sample customer. I'm going to pretend I'm Zoe here, and I'm going to pretend that Mandy shared this URL, which is Mandy's URL for all her events upcoming, and Zoe is interested in going to a couple of Mandy's events. So you can see I'm in Zoe's account here, Zoe at techvader.com. I'm taking on the persona of Zoe right here in the CalendarLander, and I'm going to go ahead and make these screens a little bit more viewable, and I'm going to type in Zoe at techvader.com. When I type in Zoe, you can see all these light up, and all Zoe needs to do, she wants these on her calendar, and all she needs to do is click the button. And you can see we just sent her a calendar invitation for these individual events that are on Mandy's calendar. It's as simple as that, no more complicated than that. You can see they just showed up over here. Right here they showed up. And I'm going to go ahead and click these. You can see I can say yes, I can say no, maybe. The important thing is they are on Mandy's, on Zoe's calendar, sent from Mandy the persona. And what Mandy gets to do as an event organizer is track and communicate with his calendar. So if Mandy was to go into her personal calendar and change any event information, that's automatically updated on Zoe's calendar. That's part of our technology. I'm going to stop right there. I'm going to go back to the individual CalendarSnack, which is right here in Mandy's email. I'm going to do a quick view, and you can see here in the account engine, when I go to her dashboard, all that information is collected here in her created events, and we track all the individual RSVPs here in the tracking engine for the individual